Want longer battery life? Let's manage background app refresh on your iPhone in 1 minute. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to General. Tap General, then choose Background App Refresh to see options. Select Off, Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi and Cellular to control how apps update in the background. Turning it off stops apps refreshing in the background and saves battery. You can also disable Refresh per app for extra savings. Scroll the list and toggle off apps you don't need updating in the background. Tip: leave essential apps like messaging enabled and disable social and shopping apps. Mockup: with background app refresh on the battery shows 88%. After turning it off, the mockup shows 95%. Other savings: enable low power mode, limit location access, and reduce unnecessary notifications. Quick recap: open Settings, General, Background app refresh, then turn off or toggle per app. Try it now and check your battery. Small changes add up. Subscribe for more tips.